A brand new 91cc chainsaw, 7.2 horsepower. I have never done this before. Let's go.
Welcome to Off-Grid Rookies. We are a couple striving for a freer life, and we work towards an off-grid living on our newly bought property.
The property has lots of nice pine and spruce, and we are planning to use some of them for our first build.
Recently we picked up a portable sawmill and are now trying it out for the first time.
We hope to be able to use the lumber for a small workshop to begin with, and for the whole homestead later on. If you want to see the full video, you find it on our channel, or you can just click the link from here. We wish you a great day and thank you for watching.